Hello, welcome. I just got this new box. It has the Hero 8 inside it. I'm pretty excited to open it. Let's check what's inside. So, let's open it. So let's cut this. Now we got bowls. Next we got the Hero 8 camera. You also get a free stand disc with the GoPro Hero 8. So let's check it out. So this is the stand disc, and this is the Hero 8. So let's open the plastic cover first. So the Hero 8 Black. It's a 12MP photo, 4K 60, and 1080 pixels, so at 240 frames per second. It's also time wrap and hyper smooth. It has voice control, which is the best part of it. GPS and 33 feet deep, waterproof. And it's also slow-mo, and it's 1080 pixels live streaming. So to open it, you pull this. So you just pull it. So let's open it. You pull this out, and let's keep this away for now. So this is the Hero 8. It's pretty small. There's a thumb screw here. So to remove this, you just need to do this. And then do this. That's all you need to do to remove this. But if you want to remove this thing, then you untighten the thumb screw, and then it just comes off. There are two fingers at the bottom. In the Hero 7, there wasn't two fingers. You needed to get them as an accessory, but in this one, it comes with the GoPro. So it's pretty small. You may need the thumb screw, so you can keep it away for now. So this is the GoPro. It has a mini screen to display like if it's 4K 1080 pixels and what mode it's on. So this is the battery slot. So this is the power button, and there's a little tiny hole. You pull on it, and as you can see the red. If you see the red, then you can open it. The red shows that it's open, and then whenever you want to lock it, it shows like it's closed, so it's nice to know that. So yeah, let's check what's inside the box. So there's this thing here. You open it. GoPro Plus, and there are some cards, stickers, and a book of instructions. So if you open this, you get a battery. It's pretty small, as you can see, and then you get a charger, and you get a adhesive tape, so you can just stick it on and then put the camera in. So let's put these away for now. So this is pretty small. So what you do to put the battery in is you pull this, you pull it out, and you push it in. But if you want to charge it, it's a USB-C type. So you just do this and then it charges. So you remove it, and now, as you guys can see, you also need to remove this protective screen. No, not the protective screen, but it's just a little thing. It's one of those things like that protects the screen from getting dirty. So you just remove it like that, and then it turns on. So you choose a language. So you need to agree to the terms, capture the location. We installed the GoPro app. So you need to leave the camera on and follow the app instructions. So this is all for today. You install the GoPro app and you connect the camera with the phone, and you're all ready to go. Thank you and bye. We'll see the other details of the camera in the next video. Thank you.